Hi, this is Evan from Digital Team Coach. Recently, we've run a workshop on reaching your community effectively with Facebook advertising. This half-day workshop is a follow-on from that workshop. This half-day mastermind is really practical, and we are going to resource you on setting up your Facebook advertising and to come up with a strategy. So Nigel Preston from Chatterbox Marketing is going to be coming in again and working with us to do three things. Firstly, he's going to help us to identify our social media needs, our goals on setting up the right target audience for you using Facebook's advertising audience profile. Secondly, he's going to help us to craft your next campaign, whether it's your first campaign or if you've done it before but you want to get better at it, how to craft your next one. And then thirdly, he's going to help us to evaluate a campaign looking at Facebook analytics, the metrics that we've done, and then how to improve the engagement goals that we've set up. So this is going to be really important if you've done Facebook advertising before and it hasn't gone particularly well, or if you've never done it before and you're ready to get your hands dirty, then please join this workshop with Nigel and I. Register below and we look forward to seeing you there.